Big Timber has a reputation as Montana's windy city. But the winds that walloped the town Thursday were extreme, even by the community standards.
This is probably one of the worst ones that I've seen.
If that doesn't get your attention, this will. Toppled trees, downed power lines, and damaged businesses all over town as gusts reached nearly 100 miles an hour.
About midnight last night, the power went out at my house, and it got super windy and branches falling out of trees everywhere. And then I drove into town this morning when it was still dark, and there's trees down everywhere in town.
Yancey Trelland is one of the many cleaning up.
All around town business area. A couple of the churches, they lost trees too, just ripped right out of the grounds.
Even though power has come back, there is still a lot of work to be done. Between the fallen trees and down power lines, Sweetgrass County Under Sheriff Ron Swanson says first responders have been busy.
The main ones that we've responded to today are trees that hit power lines and pulled them right out of the house or pulled them down into the house. And a lot of sparking. We've had one tree was on fire right next to the house.
Swanson adds a semi-truck also blew over north of town, and vehicles weren't the only thing blowing over. Trees toppled onto cars and homes, while power companies and arborists have their work cut out for them. Many of those in town are lending a hand.
A lot of the citizens have been really big help in this town. I've got groups of citizens just running around with chainsaws and helping people all over town.
The Big Timber is really, really good for that whenever something happens. There's, tons of people running around helping each other out today. So it's just good to see little communities helping each other.
In Big Timber, Will Wagner, MTN News.